G'day guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Pierre and this is Simple Home Brew. This is it. This is my pear cider. It's nice, it looks good. It's not overly carbonated. I didn't give it a big hit of carbonation, so I thought I'd give it just a mild carbonation, but it's not bad. It's looking really clear, really nice. Nice and clear. This is my Mangrove Jack's apple cider, pear cider, and it's cider month. So this is my last video for the month for ciders. I hope you've been enjoying them. Thank you very much for watching them. It's time to smell. Perfumey, very perfumey. Hardly any alcohol scent. Really, really peary. I can actually smell the pear in it. It's beautiful. It's a good looking apple cider. I did have a few problems though when I was fermenting it. I had a fluctuation. The family left the house and I hadn't had the air conditioner on, and the temperature in the house got up to about 26, 27 degrees. So this did get up to about 27 degrees. So I thought, that's it, I've stuffed it. And well, getting back to it, it turned out okay. The smell is just brilliant. It's crisp, it's clean, it's cold because it's just come out of the fridge. The smell is peary. I can smell the pear and a bit of perfumey smell. So it's better than these commercial ones that I've been tasting just recently. And now I am going to taste it, not for the first time. Oh, that's beautiful. You can really taste the pear. I'd say the pear essence that we put in there really made a difference. Whatever else I put in there, it's just brilliant. It really tastes crisp, clean, very, very sessionable. I don't know, I might have a leak in the keg. I repaired the keg and put a whole heap of new rubber seals in it and everything else, but the pressure relief valve, PRV valve, kept letting a little bit of gas out, so it still had some pressure in it when I checked it just today. I hadn't seen it for about a week and a half, 2 weeks, but only slight pressure, so it didn't lose pressure, but it was getting close, so no oxygenation. That's all I care about. This is very, very tasty. Guys, if you want to make a cider, a pear cider at that, make this one. This is beautiful. My whole family are going to love this. It's more than good. It is brilliant. It's beautiful, tasty. It's like a soft drink. I mean, sorry, but it's like a really clean tasting soft drink. No alcohol. It's 4% alcohol, by the way. So it didn't ferment fully. It does taste sweet. I did put a sweetener in it, but I think because it didn't ferment all the way down, it's a little bit more sweeter than usual. But for my liking, it is great. I don't really like a great sweet drink, but with this, I'm really, really happy with it. It's a really good one. I'm going to share this with the family. We have them coming over on Friday this week, I think. Yeah, I think so. And they're going to be overjoyed at the flavour of this one. Really, really nice. I'm really happy with it. Yeah, so if you guys haven't been watching these, I have 3 or 4, maybe 5 videos back that way on all the commercial apple ciders I've been trying. And they are beautiful, some of them. Some of them are a bit, whatever. But some are really, really nice. And I am into flavoured stuff, things that have a lot of flavour and lacking alcohol. I don't care about the alcohol so much. It's really, really good. Look guys, it's been a blast. I've been learning a lot about apple ciders and ciders altogether. And I've been learning a lot about brewing as well just recently. So thank you very much for watching. Thanks for all your comments this last month. It's been great having your support there. And I'd like to thank all of the patrons and the YouTube members and the guys who just support me in my endeavours to make this work. And it's been brilliant. Thank you. We'll see you in the next month. I've got, what have I got? I've got a Juice Bigelow all grain beer from Kegland. I've got a all grain stout from Kegland as well. I also have a wine video coming up, which is a wine expert Cap Sav, and I am about to start another wine from Kegland, And that's the Australian Shiraz, I think it was. I can't remember, but it's coming. I've got videos coming flat out here, there, and everywhere. And these are big videos, so if you're looking forward to it, have a look at them. And again, please say hello in the comments. I love watching and reading every one of them. It's just been brilliant, and I hope you enjoy next month and our future endeavours. I will be doing cider videos once a year, and that's the only time I really would do cider, other than maybe one during the year if I can. It's been great, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for being part of the cider month, and we'll see you next month. Cheers, guys.